truck hanging in the air. But how can a crane lift something so heavy, so high? And what if I told you this crane built itself? Tower cranes don't arrive in one piece. They start small. A mobile crane assembles the base, then the operator's cab. But the real secret is this: the self-climbing mechanism. The crane literally lifts its own cab using a climbing frame, and a new mast section is slid in, just like a Lego piece. With each new section, it climbs a little higher, but every step requires extreme precision. The counterweights, the ties to the building, everything is designed to resist wind, weight, and time. But once the job is done, how do you take it apart? The answer is even more fascinating. Follow me to find out.